we are here at the Boat and Fishing Show 2022 with Yanis Sovolos, the boss of XDive and the distributor of Saldimar here in Greece.
Yes.
Hello, nice
Hello,
to be
hello,
here and
hello.
nice to be
see you again here.
Yeah, exactly.
Fishing show.
And well, I would first start with a few words about XDive, which is a very interesting brand, but maybe you want to know something more about it.
Yes. XDive is our brand. It's a brand that we're trying to develop it more and more in the last years. We're very happy because we already have some very good products in the market, and we always try to evolve, but stay in this category, let's say a middle category, very accessible to the mass.
Maybe you can tell us something about, I see here very nice masks.
Yes,
Maybe you can show us.
this is a very interesting mask, I think. Pretty new design. It's called Gem. It comes in two colors of silicone at the moment, black and gray. Gray is in two different frame colors, black and red. It's a very good low volume mask. Allows the user to have his eyes close to the crystals, so gives a very good field of view. And we can see from the shape of the crystals that gives a very good view also downwards. Yes. The very interesting element, of course, is this surface, which gives better grip. Yeah. For the equalizing, exactly. And this element here that prevents the mask to fold in big depths. Although it's very soft silicone, which leaves no marks on the face, this element prevents it from folding when we go really deep.
So it's soft in the first part, which touches the face, but
Exactly.
From this point on, it's more rigid.
Exactly.
Okay, and this is very important because you know that it squeezes too
It,
much.
it doesn't hit us. Yes. Yes. This is the.
Very interesting. Let's show it also internally. There is
From
also
the
an
inside.
interesting part here which goes inside.
Better, yes, better fit.
Better fit. And it's a frameless solution that
Yes.
we know helps to have the lens closer to the eyes. So
Yes, it allows eyes to go really close.
And better fit.
Exactly. It's a very successful mask from the first season we introduced it, and Spiros really loved it.
Very nice design.
We, as XDive, we try to have a full collection of everything that someone might need in spearfishing. But yeah, besides all masks and spear guns and all the others, we have a big collection of dry bags, many sizes and many designs. Simple bags or with shoulder straps.
Backpack also.
Yes, exactly. It makes easy to carry our equipment and keep our maybe car dry after after the dive. Yes.
And this is for the wetsuit, but it's also very long, so you can put the fins.
So
inside.
you can put the fins exactly.
What about these passages here?
Yes, you can attach any kind of equipment. You can attach your spear gun here.
Maybe put some elastic bands.
Exactly. It's multi-use. Yeah.
Very interesting. So we can say that XDive has a complete line of products for spearfishing and free diving.
Yes.
Spear guns, we see wetsuits, the bags.
We believe that it's a complete line. We are always working to make it even more complete.
And if you would use a word to describe the products, they would be good value for money, I understand.
Yes, the good quality in the correct price, I would say so.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.